Good morning, and welcome back to Shore Garage. Today I got something a little special for you. Here in town, my town of Ocean Gate, we have an annual car show to raise money for the volunteer EMS. It's a pretty cool event. A lot of people get together, lots of nice cars come out. You have anything from cars to trucks. It's really neat. They raise a lot of money every year. Everybody donates something, and it's always a great turnout, and it's for a good cause. So in this video, you're gonna see through my eyes this car show. say thank you to everybody who brought out their cars and were able to show it off for such a good event, for a good cause. It means a lot, this car show, to this town. It's a very small summer town. Everybody's in a nice tight knit. Everyone knows what's going on, and it's really, really a great community over here. And we just want to thank you for coming and supporting everybody over at that show, and supporting the EMS, and donating anything you possibly could have. It means a lot to this town, and it means a lot to us being the auto repair shop here in this town. So, cheers to you, and we'll see you next time.